Hello, I'm Mariano, and today I'm going to show you a new feature of Gloodata called Smart Label. And also, this demo is the first one that is running on an open source model, or it's not running on ChatGPT, it's running using Mistral H7b instruct, using Anyscale in this case, because if it ran locally in my machine with something like Olama, each call will take like 30 seconds. So here I'm going to show you smart labels. Let's say I want to show a map of the Benfica stadium at some level 18, and it's going to do as before. It's going to find the plugin that provides that functionality, and here it will now provide like a normalized function call of the functionality that is displaying. But you can see here that I have this label with a background color and some icons. This is what we call a smart label. It signals the user that this is not only text, but there's some extra information and domain knowledge about this that the user can use. And the way it can use it is plugins can register these smart labels of different data types, but they can also attach detailed views for them or contextual actions. So I see one of these and I click it and I get right now an overlay, but later I may change the way I'm displaying it. And I can see here that there was more information associated with that address. It's in a place, it has geolocation, it's in a road, in a country, locality, yes, it has postal code. And here below I can see that different plugins register for contextual actions for this smart label type. Show map, the one we just saw. Get directions there. Right now it's always starting from Rome, but later I will make it customizable. We can get the time information there, and since we had the geolocation, we can get the weather forecast there. And another smart label I've registered, other than the ones you just saw for time, which I will show later, is for example, if I want to extract the content of a website, now URLs are a smart label, and if I click on a URL, I get a preview of the site, like what you would see if you paste a URL in social media. You get like a card with the details, and we can extract the page content, we can summarize the page content, and the last one is preview page, which is the one you see at the top, which is registered both as a detailed view and as a contextual action. But these contextual actions and detailed views are no other than plugins that I can also run manually over here. Let's summarize, let's do. This is extract content and this is summarized. So the implementer doesn't have to do anything new. They just register plugins like before, but they can also attach some extra information saying this plugin can be used as a detailed view or as a contextual action for a particular smart label type. And this provides extra functionality. So whenever I see some smart label, I know I can click it and I can navigate and learn about all the contextual actions I can run. In the future, I will allow to pop these cards into the current session or extract them into a new session or display them in another way that it's not an overlay. But for now, it provides an easy way to do some sort of drill down. So this is the new feature of Gloodata called Smart Labels, always trying to go beyond text. And this is the first time I'm using an open source LLM to run the parts that require artificial intelligence. If you have any question, you can contact me on social media. Bye.